guys, Tyler here, back with another video. And sorry I've not been uploading. I've been I just spawned this world and this is kind of cool. And, okay, enough about that. But in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys, how to, make a 1 block tall house. Normally you can't get down there, but I have a trick just for you. But in the beginning of this, I'm going to show you just if you want to, which I've been doing in some of my survival worlds, which is called 1 by 1 mining, where I mine only with 1 block. So first, let me find the water bucket. There it is. Okay. So you're going to need a water bucket. So if you're not far in the game, then too bad. But what you're going to want to do, okay, I want to find a flat area. So you want to find a place like this. Mine most of it out. And then right here, no, not right there. Sorry, I messed that up. Okay, right here, a hole right there, and then you want to put the water right under the block right there, then go straight in, and bam! And then you want to either keep this or get rid of this. In my opinion, for mining, I would take it away, so in case you find like some things you want, but now it's just some breaking. But number one rule, well, it really doesn't matter if you don't have a light, but I think it's going to be really cool, and there's a weird bug where a ton of particles land. Okay, so it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 blocks. 2, and then 3. And then, this is not going to be a big house, but we will have it kind of big. Okay, time to break all of this stuff we don't need. Okay, it's here. This is incredibly difficult. Takes a while. So if you like this tutorial, just drop a like down below. If you don't dislike it, I don't care. It's your opinion. But let's make some more things. So since you're having this house, you most likely want to make it cozy. And with cozy, you'll probably want an enchantment table. So the best way to make this, in my opinion, is putting this, because they're not classified as under any blocks yet, and then put bookshelf. No, that's not how you. Dang it! I forgot how this. Okay. You will probably most likely never run into this problem, but I ended up doing that by myself. Like, I'm gonna. Okay, we are back. I'm sorry, I bumped my camera. Okay, but I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab this up there. So then, I'm sorry I messed up on the thing right away. I just don't apparently play Minecraft. Okay. Eat. You know what, just to make it actually look natural, we're gonna go over here. So now it's really just your design. You can make it however you want, but since I'm in creative mode, I'm using all my cheats to my advantage. Okay, so you'd most likely just want to at least do 2 bookshelves. There you go, a little area. I think the flooring I want, it's gotta be a casual. I love myself some spruce. A lot of people don't like spruce, which I don't get. You are just weird people. Because spruce is awesome. I love the way it looks. It looks really nice. It's not like dark oak, where it's incredibly black. Or not dark oak, but dark wood. Like dark colored wood. It's just too bright. Okay, so now that we kind of got this, if you want to make a bed, you're probably going to want to do something like this. And then grabbing yourself whatever color bed. I'm an orange kind of guy because you know that I'm Tiger Creeper. And still, it's classified as a 1 block tall. Which, you're probably never going to use this because you can easily just suffocate. But for the sake of this, yeah, it's just there for comfort, even though it's really not that helpful. It's not going to give... Like, you're even going to need to sleep here. Nothing but spiders will spawn. Sorry about that. That happens a lot. Okay, so the walls we are going to do, you can do any type of wall you want. But once again, I'm using my creative mode advantages. So I'm going to use my fellow orange because if you guys like orange, comment down below if you do, because you guys are awesome, because orange is an underrated color, in my opinion at least. But it's already been 6 minutes, which is pretty long. But now that we got this, the roof is going to be the hard part. You want to be careful. You don't want to be in the block range. So don't break a block like that, because then you'll kind of do what I did when I messed up with the enchanting table, and you'll walk straight back up. And I found this bug just to... Dang it. Okay, I'm going to rage induce myself and add... I'm going to grab a bucket and a water bucket, of course. And then what I'm going to do... This won't ruin anything, I don't think, at least. Okay. All it does is look incredibly bad. And then all I have to do is yeet. I missed it by about 1 block. Okay, there we go. What? No, stop. Oh, crying out loud. There we go. Okay. Oh my god. I'm gonna pause this. So I finally fixed it after, like, not that long actually. But it was still really annoying. Okay, so now that you got your house design, you can add anything you really want. I just made it basic because I don't want to make... I messed this up. I am raging. My head hurts. Okay, there we go. Okay. I'm going to keep it like that because I can. Okay. And you really can't do this inside. Why am I floating up? Oh yeah, I want to show you this really funny thing. When you go in the creative inventory, you can make your character do crazy things like this. And I don't know why I was laughing at it, but I think it's pretty funny. But I hope you guys enjoyed this. I know this is a lot like Green's about a 1x1 house, but he did it on Java. I did this on Bedrock. There's no way. But this is kind of how you could actually do it. Hide it through like a block and maybe give it like actual effect. Okay. We're not going to question that. What is this? We can make it like a weird world generation. But you can kind of make it look natural. And then you can sneak in there for like a secret house. But also, if you want to give it... I know I it's really weird mentioning Grian when you probably don't know who he is. He's actually a really cool YouTuber in my opinion. And he does a lot of build tutorials. So this is how you guys can kind of do it. Add like a door. In my personal opinion, I think I'm going to switch to like this is like the door. You have a door. You can come out anytime you want. And this one really looks good because when it's closed, I want to kind of fix this though. This may actually become, also comment, first one to comment if you guys want a, see, that was really just like dirt, really. If you want me to create this into a survival world, and I'll make it even more better, but also one more thing. So I'm going to grab some storage. Just put a ton of barrels. So this is the storage. If you guys want this to be a survival world, comment that down below. But I hope you guys enjoyed, and that's it for today's video, and goodbye!